In this video, we are going to cover a Java 8 interview question based upon the string. Okay, so now the question was, suppose string is been given to you, like suppose like A, B, C, C. Okay, and now you have to find out the first non-repeated character. So in this case, the first non-repeated character is B. Okay, now suppose the string is been changed to something like this, then the first non-repeated character will be A. Okay, and now suppose this has been given to you. Here, capital A and small a is there, right? So the first non-repeated character can be A. So here what we are going to do is we are going to convert all these uppercase to the lowercase, and then we are going to find out the first non-repeated characters. Okay. So now what we can do is, so suppose we have a string called something like A, B, C, C. Okay. So here the answer should be A. Okay. So now first what we will do is we will convert it into the int of strings. Okay. And then we will use the map to object method, and here we will first try to convert all the uppercase to the lower cases. Okay, so suppose something like this was given to you, so we have to first convert this capital A to the lower a. Okay, so how we can do is we are going to use the lambda expression here, and then character dot to lowercase. Okay, and then here insert this character dot value of, we are going to convert each and every element to the char, and like this we can convert. Okay, and now after this line, each and every element will be converted to the small element. Okay, and then we have to collect it, we have to do the grouping by. So how we can do is collectors dot grouping by. Okay, so in this grouping by, like the basically the grouping by returns your map. Okay, so here we are going to return a map, we are going to take out a map from this, which will be linked hash map, because we want the element which are going into this map, it should be in a order. Like if this thing is going, that should be in a order. If B is going, that should be in a order. Like A should come first, B should come second, and C should come third, so that we can find out the first non-repeated character. Okay, so what we will do is, in this case, the value will be the each element. So how we can find out the each element as a value is, so we are going to use the function dot identity. Okay, so here, I mean, we have already converted into the lowercase. So this here, A will be treated as one identity, B will be treated as one identity, C will be another identity. Okay, and then we are, as I was saying, we will take them out, each and every element in a linked hash map. Okay, so this is how we can do it. And now each identity we have got. Now how many times that identity is coming up in the hash map? For that we need the counting, and that will be the value of the hash linked hash map. So okay, so that can be done by the this by collectors dot counting. Okay, so this particular thing, this particular line will return you a hash linked hash map, where this A will be the key, and how many time it is coming up, that will be the value. Like A is coming 2 times, B is coming 1 time, C is coming 2 times, so that will return. Okay, but our main purpose of this question is something else, right? So what we will do is, after this we will take out the each entry set out of that map. Okay, and then we will use the stream here. Okay, and then we want to filter out how, like what all elements are there which are coming only once, because we want to find out the non-repeated character. Non-repeated character will be whose value will be 1. Okay, so that will be the value, right? So what we will going to do, v dot get value whose value should be equal to 1. Okay, so this will return you all the elements who are coming only one time. Okay, and then we want to find out the name of that particular element. I mean, the, like, it is coming one, but what is the name of that element? That will be in the key, right? Identity. So with here we'll be using k dot get key. Okay, so this will return you the name of the element which is coming only once, like B. Suppose we have D, F is also, which is also coming one time. Okay, so this particular line of a code will return you the B and F, because these two are coming only one time. Now we want to find out the first non-repeated character. Okay, so for that we will be using the find first, because we want to find the first element. Okay, and this find first basically is the terminal operator which returns you the optional object. So we want to take out the value from that optional, so for that we have to use the get. Okay, so now let's try to run this program. So its result should be B, because it is the first non-repeated character, right? Now suppose B is not there, only F is there. Okay, so this is F. So here we have converted each and every element to this lower case. Now suppose if we are not converting into the lower case. then what will happen? This will be treated as a different element, this will be treated as a different element. And now in this case, if we try to run, this capital A will be the result, right? So yeah, this is what in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.